What's up, y'all? We're gonna do a little 4-pack blaster of Marvel Platinum box break, and let's see what we get.
Anybody buy or pull anything cool out of Platinum lately?
I pulled the Cosmic Invisible Woman in a character case break. I also picked up a green auto out of 10 of Invisible Woman. So excited about
Nice.
that.
Doom, what about you?
I got my blue auto Mystique out of 25, and that's about it. I entered a couple character breaks, but no luck, you know.
Shadowcat.
Nice.
Platinum duos. This is not the rainbow, just the normal.
Okay.
These blue surges are awesome.
They're sick.
Yeah, they're what make the blasters for me.
Yeah.
I feel like they should be called teal waves, right?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
Nice.
Daredevil, Tombstone.
Blue rainbow.
Oh, and then blue tracks, Mole Man.
Nice. There goes your number card for the box.
$4.99. Yeah, I'm not really going after anything specific in this set right now, at least.
Yeah.
Maybe down the line I'll pick something up, but just enjoying the blasters. Emo.
What are you feeling? Are you feeling any art in this set?
Oh, I got 2 numbered. One of those.
Oh wow.
Falcon, Teal Wave. Yeah, $7.99.
Ooh.
Nice.
Is that an influencer blaster?
Yeah. I did get these from Upper Deck's website, so maybe they knew. They saw the name.
Wow. The card drop effect?
Yeah, it's definitely card drop.
Upper Deck, if you're seeing this, we're all about the influencer boxes. Send them our way.
I'm down.
Oh, that was nice.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Oh, look at that.
Oh,
Nice.
Base. Do you have this one?
Yeah. I got
Okay.
a few. I do like that spot card on the blue surge. It really pops.
Oh,
with
yeah, with
the
the
yellow.
I like the ones that have the colored background.
Yeah.
The Marvel girl that you pulled with the pink.
Marvel Girls, one of my favorites.
Doom.
Wow.
Wow, that's an
Yeah, it's nice.
Passer.
Ooh. Yellow.
Yellow rainbow.
Yep.
Nice.
No mega red. I've seen some crazy hits out of the blasters.
Yeah.
101s and out of 5s. I think Matt Fuller pulled out of 5.
Out of 5, quite a few cosmics. I've seen people hit.
Wasn't the Spider-Man pulled out of a blaster?
Spider-Man 101 variant cover was pulled out of a blaster.
Blaster.
I do like the Hulk on this set.
Which?
The Red Hulk or the regular Hulk?
The regular Hulk.
The Tom Fleming one?
The one you just pulled.
The Planet Hulk?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's dope.
Here you go.
This is dope.
Rainbow.
Oh.
Prism.
Oh wow.
At a 199.
Sweet.
Yeah. So 3 numbered hits so far. Not bad. You get a lot of cards in this in the blasters too, which is nice if you're going for a base set.
Yeah.
Pretty affordable way. Base cover. And then Star-Lord.
I feel like my favorite are the purple pixel variant covers so far.
Oh, those are pretty sweet.
Those are nice.
There you go.
Oh, look at that.
That's sick.
Yeah.
I think the
Yellow Prism.
Let's go.
Oh, yeah, number card.
Yep.
$3.99.
151 out of 399. Not bad.
Yeah.
Pulling a lot of rippers out of the set.
I'm feeling the seismic gold variant covers out of 10. I think those are
Yep.
really nice looking cards.
Those are nice.
Hawkeye. Spider-Girl red.
Nice.
And then iconic covers. I like these. They're pretty cool.
I think they missed not doing parallels for those.
Beast. Professor X. Oh, that's a nice cap. Green Goblin, Rainbow. Alright, 5 more packs.
Let's go. Come on. You can get a 1-on-1 real quick.
Yeah, that'd be sweet.
Something light, you know. I'm not the only person in the group for the golden treasures. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Bob. Bakudo. Odin.
Blue tracks.
Blue tracks. 421 out of 499.
It's good art.
Yeah, it's cool. Alright, let's see. We already got double hits in one of the blasters, so to ask for it twice would be a little bit much, but maybe. Super Scroll. Thanos Blue.
Nice.
Nice.
I like
Alright.
this. Ooh, Domino. I think I already sent one of these to Nathan.
Yeah.
Voodoo. Woman and Ghost Rider. Alright, last pack.
There you go.
There we go.
Golden Treasure.
It'd be sick.
Would be. Or the Duck. Doc Ock. Brother Voodoo. And then Thing variant. Nice. So, pretty good blasters overall. Do a little recap real quick. The main ones were the Blue Surges. And then we got the Blue Tracks. Surfer, which is probably the best hit, right?
Mm-hmm.
I think so.
Another Blue Tracks of Tom Taggart. Did a good job with this
Yeah.
the Wave Falcon, and then the Red Prism Wasp.
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah, not bad.
5 hits, 4 boxes.
Yep,
It's pretty good.
pretty
It's
good.
not bad. Hey guys, we just want to say thank you guys so much for all the love and support. As a thank you from us, we're running a giveaway for a box of Upper Deck Marvel Platinums. Appreciate you guys.